But the signing of the Citizens' Declaration is not about forgiving or forgetting what happened. The signing of the Citizens' Declaration is a powerful statement that today we are really in uncharted territory. We are today in a situation that we have never been before. We have never had a sitting Prime Minister investigated by no less than 6 countries. We have never had a Prime Minister, not just in Malaysia but anywhere else, that had 2.6 billion banked into his private accounts. We have never had a Prime Minister who had been recommended for charges to be placed against him. Now, we don't know how many charges, how far it's true, but we know that MACC had made some very, very serious recommendations for punitive action to be taken. We also know Bank Negara had recommended for punitive actions to be taken. So my message is just very clear. We are really in very, very uncharted times, in unprecedented times in which it's very frustrating, it's devastating when we are daily on the work to advocate human rights, promote good governance. We're at a dead end. Now, unfortunately, I hate to say this, but unfortunately there isn't a viable platform in which Malaysian citizens can depend on an alternative political coalition and so on to get us out of this mess. So for me, this cross-party alliance, yes, it comes with risk. Yes, we don't know where it's going to take us, but the only way we know it's going to work is if we all come together. Come together means put your name on the Citizens' Declaration. Sign it. If you haven't done so today, do it online. If you don't want to know, you don't want other people to know that you signed it, do it online. If you want to make a statement, do it here today. Now, this is the only way for us to move forward, because all our public institutions have already been damaged, destroyed by the current system, by the system previously, by Dr. Mahathir, and the only hope rests with us. We're the only ones that can actually make a difference.